Welcome to WorldOrbit Tech, a brand new journey into the future of technology begins right here. On this channel, you will discover powerful AI tools, future tech updates, any device tech guides, digital productivity tips, and simple beginner-friendly tutorials. Our mission is to make technology easy and accessible so you can learn and grow even with just any device. In the coming days, we'll bring AI image creation, useful website, tech news, tool reviews, and many exciting contents. Stay connected and subscribe for the future of tech. Welcome to the WorldOrbit Tech community.